Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to do a topic that how you can reset your Hisense Smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to press the home button on your remote. The next thing you need to do is to scroll to the right of the screen where you will find the gear setting icon. Tap on that one. From there you need to just scroll down and you will find accounts and sign in. Tap on that. From here you need to tap on your account and you need to scroll down where you will find remove. So tap on remove, and from here you will find the option sign in with another account, and just below that remove and reset device. So if you tap on that one, this account will be removed from your Hisense TV, and plus the TV will be reset to factory reset and everything will be erased from your TV. So guys, this is all it takes to reset your Hisense Smart TV. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again next time. Take care.